Hujambo na karibu sana. Today we are discussing about types of nouns in Kiswahili. Aina za nomino katika lugha ya Kiswahili. Number one, we have a type of noun known as nomino za pekee. Nomino za pekee. Also referred to as proper nouns in English. These types of nouns names a specific person, place, or thing. And they always begin with capital letters wherever they appear in sentences. They include those which name specific people, or you can say majina ya watu, for example, Penina, Maria, Musa. They also name the days of the week, or you can say majina ya siku, for example, Jumatatu, Jumanne na kadhalika. They also name the months of the year, or you can say majina ya miezi, for example, Aprili, Januari. They also name the mountains in the world, or you can say majina ya milima, for example, Mlima Elgon, Mlima Kilimanjaro. These nouns also name the specific names of rivers, or you can say majina ya mito, for example, Mto Ruvuma, Mto Mara. They also name the specific names of lakes and oceans, or you can say maziwa na bahari. For example, Ziwa Victoria, Ziwa Rukwa, and we also have oceans like Bahari Hindi, Bahari Shamu, Bahari Atlantiki, na kadhalika. So, I'd like to leave you with a question. Give me the names of rivers in your area or locality or country. Give me the names of rivers in your country. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.